Panic erupted as the Caribbean's strongest quake in 4 years struck, triggering 3-meter tsunami warnings. But this was just the beginning. The culprit? A tectonic monster colliding with 4 plates. This same zone caused Haiti's 2010 catastrophe, and it's still moving. Its relentless force isn't just cracking the seafloor, it's bending continents, awakening volcanoes, and storing energy for the next megaquake. Scientists confirm this plate's next move is impossible to predict. Want to see the danger zones? The answer will shock you. Link above.